If your Steam download speed is way slower than the internet plan you pay for, don't worry, because in most cases, the problem is not your connection itself. It is usually a Steam setting, a download throttle, or a cached network issue that is holding things back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix slow Steam download speed in just a couple of quick steps so you can get your games downloading as fast as possible again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer and go to the top left corner. Click Steam, then click Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look for the Downloads tab on the left side. This is where Steam keeps most of the options that can affect your download performance. Now, the first thing you want to check is whether Steam is limiting your speed. Look for the option that says Limit Download Speed. If that setting is turned on, Steam may be capping your downloads at a much lower rate than your internet can actually handle. Turn it off so Steam is allowed to use your full available bandwidth. This one setting alone can make a big difference for a lot of users, especially if the speed suddenly feels capped for no reason. Next, while you are still in the download section, look for throttle downloads while streaming. If that option is enabled, Steam may slow down downloads whenever you are streaming video, gaming, or doing other internet-heavy activities. If you want the fastest possible download speed, turn this off as well. Disabling it tells Steam not to hold back your downloads just because something else is happening on your network. After that, we are going to clear the download cache. This is another very effective fix because Steam can sometimes get stuck with old or corrupted connection data. In the same Downloads tab, click Clear Download Cache. Steam will ask for confirmation, and when you approve it, the app will reset the connection handshake between your PC and Steam's content delivery network. That sounds technical, but the simple version is this. It gives Steam a fresh start when connecting to its servers, which can often improve slow or inconsistent downloads. Keep in mind that Steam may sign you out or restart some download-related connections after clearing the cache, so don't panic if it takes a moment. Just sign back in if needed and check your downloads again. At this point, go back and start your download or resume it if it was paused. You should now see whether the speed has improved. In many cases, these two steps are enough to fix slow Steam downloads and get things moving much faster. If you are still having issues after this, the problem could be your region, server load, Wi-Fi interference, or something else on your network. But these Steam settings are always the best place to start. So to recap, open Steam settings, go to downloads, make sure limit download speed is turned off, turn off throttle downloads while streaming, and then clear the download cache. These quick adjustments can save you a lot of waiting time and frustration. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.